breathing like the shoreline, tides that rise within. Soft hands on your heartbeat, counting every ache. Let the night unweave you thread by tender thread. Starfall lullaby, let the worries drift behind your eyes. Every trembling thought can learn to fly in this quiet sky. You're held, you're held. Starfall lullaby, all the heavy shadows turning light. Every broken piece begins to shine in this gentle night. You're held, you're held. Teardrops on the pillow, tiny works of art, stories of the moments you carried in your heart. It's safe now to be fragile. You don't have to hide. Close your eyes, I'll guard you from the restless tide. Let it go on the breeze, name each fear, let it leave every breath a small release. Falling, falling into peace. You're not alone in this dream. You're not alone in this moon dust on the window, silver on your skin, breathing like the shoreline, tides that rise within. Soft hands on your heartbeat, counting every ache. Let the night unweave you thread by tender thread. Starfall begins to shine in this gentle night. You're held, you're held. Teardrops on the pillow, tiny works of art, stories of the moments you carried in your heart. It's safe now to be fragile. You don't have to hide. Close your eyes, I'll guard you from the restless tide. Let it go on the breeze, name each fear, let it leave every breath a small release. Falling, falling into peace. You're not alone in this dream. You're not alone in this moon dust on the window, silver on your skin, breathing like the shoreline, tides that rise within. Soft hands on your heartbeat, counting every ache. Let the night unweave you thread by tender thread. Starfall lullaby, let the worries drift behind your eyes. Every trembling thought can learn to fly in this quiet sky. You're held, you're held. Starfall lullaby, all the heavy shadows turning light. Every broken piece begins to shine in this gentle night. You're held, you're held. Teardrops on the pillow, tiny works of art, stories of the moments you carried in your heart. It's safe now to be fragile. You don't have to hide. Close breath, a small